Hello friends, in this video I'll be talking about why pyrrole is aromatic or how we can prove that pyrrole is aromatic, or answering the question, is pyrrole aromatic? So this is a pyrrole ring, and first question obviously would be, is this compound cyclic? Of course it's cyclic because as you can see all atoms are in a ring, so the answer is yes. The next question would be, is the compound having conjugation? Yes, it does have conjugation because this lone pair of nitrogen is involved in resonance and all the double bonds are delocalized, and hence conjugation occurs. So we proceed to find out how many pi bonds are there. So there are 2 pi bonds, and we will look for the lone pairs. There's a one this one and another one. Nitrogen has 2 lone pairs. This is one lone pair, and we will consider as 2 electrons. Okay. And then we have to find out total pi electrons, so 2 and 2 4 and 2 6, so 6 electrons. And we have to check whether or not pyrrole ring obeys Huckel's rule, that is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. And if we put n is equals to 0, then it becomes 2, and if we put n is equals to 1, then it becomes 6. And pyrrole ring contains 6 pi electrons, hence it obeys Huckel's rule. That's why we call it aromatic. And yes, pyrrole is aromatic according to this sequence, and these are the rules that we have to obey, or then we have to follow, and then we have to apply to find out which compound is aromatic and which is not. So this is important in organic chemistry, to understand which compound is aromatic, which is anti-aromatic, and which is non-aromatic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please share it with your friends. Thanks, bye.